I don't believe it! Linkin Park Numb from the album Meteora is playing! Linkin Park Numb from the album Meteora. Rest in peace, Chester Bennington. It's been like 5 years without you. Hear Brad Delson's guitar too. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. I've become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this, all I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. Become so numb, tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb. Oh. That's it. That was Linkin Park Numb from the album Meteora. Hope you enjoyed.